This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, LP detector, external shower, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQ is 2,919 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.